Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that many of you have been asking me about. How do I start a career in digital marketing? Digital marketing is a very exciting and dynamic field that can offer you a lot of opportunities, but it can also be confusing if you don't know where to start. The first step to starting a career in digital marketing is to do your research. There are many different areas of digital marketing, such as social media, SEO, PPC, email marketing, content marketing, and more. Once you have an idea of what area you want to specialize in, start looking for job openings or internships in that area. This will give you a better idea of the skills and experience that are required for the job. The next step is to start building your skills. You can do this by taking online courses, attending workshops or conferences, or even volunteering your time to help with digital marketing campaigns. Another important aspect of digital marketing is networking. Attend local events, connect with other professionals in the field, and participate in online communities to learn from others and build your own network. Finally, don't be afraid to take risks and be creative. Digital marketing is all about thinking outside the box and finding new and innovative ways to reach your audience. So there you have it, some tips on how to start a career in digital marketing. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful career in this field, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes.